Hey YouTube, I just got myself a new dash cam. This one is a Mangoal. It's a OEM style dash cam, so it's not invasive like any other dash cam. This one is gonna be for my Chevy Silverado. Mine is a 2020 RST. So let's open the box. So we have some stuff to read. App, Wi-Fi, iOS, iPhone, Androids, CarPlay. Okay, some information here. Here, a reminder about the auto dimming plug. Okay. Yeah, there's valuable info here on how to do it. Here's a user manual. Let's get that nice piece here. Okay, so this is what's going to replace the plastic part in my truck. As you can see, the lens is here. On this side, there's a slot for the SD card and some button here, power. I can see a camera here. And this is the part that goes under the mirror on your windshield. There's a protector on the lens here. I'll keep it there for now. What's in the bag here is a tool to pry on the interior panel and everywhere you want to pass your wire. Here, there's an OBD2 wire to feed, I guess, power. I didn't read the instructions, so that thing is pretty cool. All my other dash cam, I had to fuse tap in a fuse box. With this, I won't have to do that. I love this. Very good. Wires here to plugged at the auto dimming mirror. Here is the back camera. There's the wire here. And you have the sticker here, camera here. On the Silverado, the back window is up straight vertical, so this is gonna stick to the back window, and you can adjust and tilt the camera. So even if you have well, this one is for Silverado, but in other car you can tilt it. That's pretty cool. I like that. So the wire with it, and that's about it. What's in the box? Nothing else. Looks good. Okay, so if I look here, this is for the front camera, and this here, I'm pretty sure that's for the back camera. Yep, the back camera plugs in here, and this is gonna go with this here. Gonna need to read the instruction, but that's about it. So all instruction provided in the box. The only thing I need now is installing it. So stay tuned. Okay, so now installing the Mangoal dash cam. Gonna pop this cover here. Just like that. Okay, so I don't have the auto dimming rear view mirror, so I'm gonna need to use the OBD2 power adapter. Now I need to split that cover here, just like that. Fits just like this. I need to plug the rear camera here, and I need to plug in here the power adapter from the OBD2 port. Sorry. So now I need to fish both wires on the driver's side. Rear camera, it is adjustable, so you just need to remove the lens protector on it like that. You remove the red plastic on the 3M tape. Just pull on it. Just check where is the center. I know I had one before, so I can still see where it was. So it's approximately right here. Right there. gonna plug the back camera first. We'll make a click just like this, and I will also plug this here. There's an edge here, and there's a little locking device. This is how it goes. Now it's locked, and now I'm gonna fish those two wires to the side here. Okay, so I'm just using that kind of pick here to pull on the roof panel. Just push on the panel. From here, I'm just gonna pull on the rubber here and feed it inside. For this, you're just putting on this. I'm going to plug this into the OBD2 port. Just like this, and all the excess wire, I'm going to tie it with a tie wrap. Everything will be here. Okay, now the only thing I need is putting back the cover. Just like that. I can even adjust which side I want to look, like a bit on the left, a bit on the right. It's up to you. Going back, front camera, I can go full screen, just like this. Going back here, you can download videos, of course, by going here. The app is pretty simple, and settings are simple too, so you can watch all the clips that's on your SD card. And if you want to save them for whatever the reason, you can put it in your phone, download and save it in your phone, or just remove the SD card in the camera, bring in the house, whatever, you put it into your laptop, desktop, whatever. You can go in the settings, so you have recording settings, volume of the speaker, picture resolution, video resolution. If I click on, you can have 4K and full HD in the back, or 2K full HD, or full HD. Well, it's 1080p front and rear. It's up to you. Mine is 4K in the front and 1080p in the back. You have the other setting. It's the loop recording. You have 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or half. I'm at 3 minutes. Exposition correction. Did not mess with it. WDR, it's on. Timestamp, it's on. You can have collision detection. Mine is off. You can have parking mode. Mine is off. That's about it. Pretty simple stuff. So for now, pretty happy with it. Like the footage. Was easy to install, and looks great with the rear view mirror, just like an OEM dash cam. Just like I bought the truck and it was there. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. Maybe you can share this with friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.